Hi guys, and welcome to one of the QA tests. Today we're going to QA test the Burger King website. We're going to check if everything is working well and what they can improve and stuff like that. Actually, um, when you are doing a QA test, you can work on different topics. You can work on functionality wise, performance wise, security wise. You can also check on loads. You can also simulate loads to check if it's working well even with a bigger load. But for today we're going to do simple tests, different tests, just to check if everything starts working well, which you can also implement into your own websites applications. So first thing is first, let's simulate the first scenario, which is I want to order some food. Yep. So already logged in, just to be a step ahead, and created an account. And the first thing I want to do is I want to order some food. I want some burgers up in this house. So first thing is first, it's loading. Okay, I want some flamed grilled burgers. We're also checking what is happening with all the calls, checking how long it takes. Great. What's not super great because you see always 1 second added, 1 second added. Um, can also check on which media is actually loading on with QRs, and all of them are, some are loading really, really slow. 9 seconds for PNG, which is, you can just open it just to check why it's loading so slowly. It's this image. It seems like that this image is way too big. It's in a CDN, which is great, which actually loads things faster. It's a big image for something that is actually showed in a small resolution. That's less great. We can actually, it seems like that they are loading a lot of images which are really big, which actually slows down the whole website. So what we can do is we can just create a report out of this and just say, okay, look at all these images. It's not so great. It slows down the whole page, and we know that every second counts on a website like this. People will order less just because of these images. Um, that's something not so great, but it's small. Oh, we can see they are small in size, but for some reason it just takes a really long time before it loads. Anyway, let's continue on. We can just put in, okay, the test ID, try to get the overview. Can put in load time. Can say it's on the section. And we can also say what we're trying to do, description. It's getting an overview of the flame grilled flame of the burgers. Load time currently on this page is currently strange that it's so slow, but we will wait patiently. Okay, so the load time is around, it's still loading. Now all the images gets included into that. Okay, so that was around 56 seconds. But we want to be as specific as possible. So now it's finished 1.2 minutes. Now it's still loading. Here's also an error. It's an unauthorized. This is something that can be reported to the programmers. You can also use some tools to record your session and then just put it into a ticket for the programmers. But just for this, I will say bugs found. Unauthorized, and just create a ticket for the programmers. Um, Now we're actually going to look for something else. Da, 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 da. We see, yeah, even on the performance, you see it's 30, 37 seconds. It's really slow. It's terrible, and it can be optimized. You know, can just it can be a lot faster. And on pages like this, it's really important that it loads fast so people can order fast and have their food delivered. They want less be amazingly visualized, even if it's good for as a marketing perspective. But you just want things to be fast. You want to order a hamburger because you're hungry and you already know Burger King. So let's see. This is the detail page of the hamburger. We see here three options with a customizable order. So let's customize it as much as we can. We see on each of these select boxes can be on or off. No extra, extra. It's regular. In a QA test, you actually want to try every input field, every select box, and customize them in different sections to see if everything works fine. So you want to do everything, insert everything, try to implement everything, every sauce there is. Then we want to update the item. Let's see if we can still customize the combo size, even if we have customized it. Selecting this action will clear any customization. Okay, well, they have done it in a case that it will be reset every time you change the combo size, which is okay. Let's let's do large because we're hungry. And then we want to implement everything again. Every sauce there is, extra sauce because you're hungry. We update the item. We see that the calories gets adjusted. Let me see with the fries. I want large. Yes, with a dipping sauce. Um, one of the things I saw that okay, there's just one sauce. This one also has just one sauce. This will reset every customization. Okay, let's change back to the hamburger. Everything is still set. One extra, extra. Okay. The calories are 1450. So if we put in all these different sauces, so if I change a sauce with no, the calories get updated, I think, but I don't see them. I don't see an overview of how many calories I am now adding, which is okay. Maybe a usability error, but it's something that's not so critical as something that's not working well. I want to buy those hamburgers for the office, so I want to buy 7 of them. Alright, I now have 7 hamburgers in a combo. I want some sweets, and some churro fries. I want those churros. 6 of them. Alright, great. Now I can see the card. Let's check if the card works well. Address with a fake phone number, fake address. I see all those orders differently in here.